This may be your next home. Notice that it is a one-story, and off to the left is a large slider door, and that opens to a unique feature of a fifth bedroom or home office with a small kitchen and bathroom. This is one of the entrances into the Firsdt neighborhood community where Beaconsfield is located. You see that there's a golf course across the street. That street is called Agura Road. And in the summertime, you will see when there's a 4th of July, sometimes fireworks are produced in this evening, and people will sit in the park and watch the display. Adjacent to the entry to the two-car garage is this special entry to a home office or fifth bedroom that is also connecting with a small kitchen and a full bathroom. That is totally unique. There's a small patio beside the main entry to the home office or a fifth bedroom, and that's a nice place to relax. Outdoors, the climate is delightful year-round, so you can be outside often. Here's the entrance of this special room that's either a home office or a fifth bedroom. Notice that there's a heating air conditioner on the top wall on the left side in this photo. And then look at that small kitchen that you've got special for this area. The owners have added spectrum wiring underneath the flooring so that one can have easily television going on or the computer when you're in this room. Finally, beyond the kitchen and the bedroom or office is this full bathroom, and there's also a closet for clothes if one is using it as a bedroom. Now it's time for you to see how very special the interior of this home is. After going through the double door entry, look at this open field that you have. Some walls have been taken down that the builder had originally so that you have this totally open area to be with the family and not be enclosed in rooms by yourself. The newer kitchen has a place to dine here, but you can certainly also have plenty of room for table and chairs if you so like. And there will be a view of the backyard and side yard off on the right there, and then you notice you have stainless steel appliances. Buyers today really like to have upscale kitchens, and they quite often like the color white to be for their cabinetry, and they often like to have dual pane windows, and that's what this house has. The oven on top can be either a microwave or a conventional oven, and below is an oven, a conventional one, that has not even been used yet. You can be the first one to bake a cake here. Sometimes you want to cook an elaborate meal, and here you have 5 places to put pots and pans when you're using this cooktop. This one story in Westlake Village is lighter inside for sunshine and moonbeams because of the soaring ceilings and the multiple windows that are available. Many of our one stories in this price range are with low ceilings and therefore dark. This is a portion of the main bedroom. It does have access to that other bedroom we've already talked about, as well as to the two-car garage. And the flooring on this atrium is in very nice condition. Upon leaving the main bedroom to go into the atrium, this is what you see. That panel door is to the two-car garage, and then straight ahead of you is the slider that goes into the great room. On the opposite wall is a door that goes to the previously shown bedroom. In the main bedroom's bathroom, you have dual sink vanity, skylight, you have dual shower heads that are really, really impressive. You even have a bench to sit on if you want to have that to use while you are getting clean. Every bedroom in this home has nice quality for the vanities. Here you see one of the two impressive shower heads in the main bedroom's bathroom. And there you see the skylight, which is handy to have at nighttime when you're wanting to use a bathroom. Here you see the area I mentioned earlier for a place to sit while you are getting clean. And this shows both of those impressive shower heads in one photo. Even the powder room close to the living area is impressive. Newer vanity, newer commode, as well as all the bathrooms have newer commode. Here's the hallway to the 4 bedrooms that are in the main portion of the house. Here again is recessed lighting, and there is no carpet in this home. It's all with the latest Easy Care flooring that is so popular today. Another benefit of owning this home is that you have an inside laundry. Too many times our homes of about this age will have the laundry in the garage. With all of the bedrooms, there is an access directly to the outdoors. And in the California climate that we have for Westlake Village, you can be inside and outside with ease any month of the year.